Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is United Nations Day. United Nations Day, observed on October 24th each year, commemorates the anniversary of the UN Charter coming into effect in 1945. This marks the official establishment of the United Nations, a global organization dedicated to promoting cooperation, peace, security, and international relations. The United Nations plays a vital role in global affairs with the power to unite nations and influence international norms. It stands as a beacon of hope for a better world and serves as a reminder of the need for global collaboration, especially in today's challenging times. UN Day is an annual opportunity to reaffirm the principles of the UN Charter and reflect on the organization's history and mission. The UN was founded on October 24, 1945, following the ratification of the UN Charter. Its origins can be traced back to the early days of World War II, when the term United Nations was first coined by President Franklin D. Roosevelt. The UN began with 51 member states and has since expanded to 193, demonstrating its global reach. In 1971, the United Nations General Assembly designated October 24th as United Nations Day, emphasizing its importance as a reminder of the UN Charter's principles and objectives. This year's UN Day theme is the Frontlines of Climate Action, highlighting the organization's focus on addressing climate change as a critical global issue.